Social media is filled with clips of people tasting Swedish candy. The hashtag Swedish candy has been trending on TikTok, and interest has exploded, especially in the US.
They have chocolate-covered gummy bears.
Lars Berntson, whose US company imports Scandinavian foods, has noticed this trend. He recently visited a candy factory in Grana, Sweden, and had this to say.
The Swedish ingenuity, with the candies is fun, and the people are actually getting more interested in licorice, and I know that the Scandinavians have a lot of big interest in licorice. So it's just a trend. Hopefully it keeps going.
In general, Swedish sweets are praised for their fine quality. Online articles highlight that many Swedish candies are made without artificial colors and with more natural ingredients than candies from other countries. Lars Berntson leaves the factory in Grana with at least one product that he likes, although he believes a name change may be needed.
What do they call them here?
Skumtomtar?
Skumtomtar, yes. It doesn't sound very good in English, so but we'll call it something else. We'll call them foam candy Santas.
Not Scum Santas.
Not Scum Santas, no.